Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, born October 24, 1974, is a Filipino politician, actor, host, and entrepreneur who has served as the 29th mayor of Manila, the capital city of the Philippines, since 2025, the president of Acción Democrático. He previously served as the 27th mayor from 2019 to 2022 and was the party's candidate for president in the 2022 election. Born and raised in the slums of Tondo, Manila, Moreno spent his childhood in poverty. He rose to fame as a matinee idol in a minor role in Manila 1993 before transitioning to mature roles. He entered politics in 1998 after being elected to the Manila City Council, where he served until 2007. At the same time, he pursued non-degree postgraduate education at Harvard Kennedy School and Oxford Said Business School on the advice of his mentor Danny Lacuna. Moreno was elected vice mayor in 2007 and served 3 full terms under the mayoralties of Alfredo Limit and Joseph Estrada. Upon being term limited, unsuccessfully ran for senator in the 2016 senatorial elections under Grace Poe's Senate slate, placing 16th out of 50 candidates. Following his loss, President Rodrigo Duterte as an Undersecretary of Social Welfare. He would hold the position May to October 2018 before successfully running for mayor of Manila in the 2019 election, where he defeated his predecessors in a landslide victory, becoming the youngest mayor of Manila since the People Power Revolution. During his first term, Moreno was regarded as one of the top-performing local chief executives in the Philippines. He has described his leadership style as akin to that of his predecessor, Alfredo Limit, citing their shared commitment to reducing crime and maintaining the cleanliness of the capital. Moreno is also noted for his streetwise public image due to his use of colorful language coupled with Manila street slang. As a result, he is colloquially referred to as Yorme. Having served in the government for 24 years, Moreno has received numerous recognitions for his public service. He is widely credited for restoring Manila to its former glory within a short period of time, despite disinformation against him by political rivals. He is generally known for his firm implementation of city services, beautification of derelict historical sites, and leading the establishment of city infrastructure. The vibrant rhythm of Manila is set to beat stronger as Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, a familiar and impactful leader, returns to the mayoral seat. His resounding victory in the May 2025 local elections, where he triumphed over his rivals with a significant margin, signals a renewed mandate for urban renewal and a drive to restore the city to its former glory. With the overwhelming support he garnered from voters, a citywide embrace of his directives is anticipated. Foremost among these is a renewed emphasis on cleanliness, likely to reignite the Tupat Co. Linis Co. initiative. This program, which encourages residents to take responsibility for the cleanliness of their immediate surroundings, aims to foster a collective sense of ownership and pride in the city's appearance. Disciplining the people of Manila, particularly concerning waste disposal, has historically been a challenging endeavor. The pervasive bahala na si Batman mentality, often translated to a carefree attitude toward littering, is a deeply ingrained habit. However, Domagoso, known for his meticulous attention to cleanliness down to the very last detail, is expected to tackle this head-on. His no-nonsense approach and clear expectations could finally break this cycle of indifference. Perhaps one of the most impactful practices Domagoso introduced to the city was his approachability and his genuine appreciation for the noble actions of its citizens. Whether through commendations, public thanks, or even a simple heart emoji on a social media comment, his recognition of positive contributions deeply inspires residents. Many have remarked that Yorme's brand of governance is demanding, leaving no room for residents to be unaware of their surroundings or for their complaints to go unaddressed. Immediate action on citizen concerns has become a benchmark of his administration. Domagoso's direct interaction with the public is a hallmark of his governance, frequently leveraging social media, where he boasts a substantial following, to engage with citizens and address their concerns. Welcome to the exciting world of Thousand Vlogs.